Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, sometimes sickness and engagements with the family takes you away, but I'm back with another video. I just came from a trip from Dubai. During this trip, we went to amazing places. We went to the mountains at the east of UAE. It's a mountain called Jace, which is Jebel Jace. Amazing views there, and I took some photos of my friend's car, which is a Defender, the new Defender. I wanted just to talk about as a photographer and what I learned about how to utilize whatever situation you have. So in one of the areas that we went to the palm area, which is the island shaped as a palm tree. Circle around the palm, found a location, and my plan was to take a photo of his ride at a low angle with the Defender and Burj Al Arab, which is the 7-star hotel. It's an amazing hotel there. The problem is there was a barrier that blocked the area, and we couldn't really see anything behind it. It was not as a nice of a photo as I would have liked to. But what I did, I took the photo. This photo will become much better. You can see the scenery, you can see to understand the area there. You can see the sea, the boats, the hotel. It's an amazing place that you can photograph your cars if you would like to, or if you visited Dubai. But also I looked at the other areas that I saw, and I took a photo with the hotel. The photo looked amazing with the hotel behind the car. It's called the Taj Hotel. It looks nice, and the other side I saw some palms and trees. I tried my best. I'd asked the security to give us a chance just to take some photos there, but they wouldn't let us go. It's only for owners. But at least with a zoom lens, I compressed the background, and in my opinion, it's an amazing place. So, just as a quick video, that one of the things that I learned is try to utilize whatever you can. Try to use whatever angles you have. Try to use whatever situations you have. Even if I had the chance, and now looking at it, I could have taken some detailed photos of some of the features of the ride, and headlights and brake lights. We were in a hurry, just visiting the area quickly and going back to our adventures. So the idea is just try your best, utilize the situation, try to take as much photos as you can, learn from it. I'll show you a quick editing to the car, and I think I reached to a nice edit that I believe will look amazing with this scenery. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll see you soon. See some videos of the rides and adventures we have. It's an amazing place and amazing location that you can visit. If you are a car enthusiast or a photographer, you need to go to such city. I have some photos that I think you would enjoy. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up, comment. If you have any comments or questions, put it in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them as I can. And hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I can see you soon in future videos. And don't miss what's coming up. See you.